This module is about posting from cash book into main ledger. And I do believe that now it would be easy for you to understand all this posting thing. Just remember, cash book is the journal in which we record all cash receipts and all cash payments. So single effect of all cash receipts are put in the receipt side, and single effect of all cash payments is put in the payment side. And then we get its balance by subtracting payments from the receipts. Simply we get a balance. Now the thing is that all the receipts which are appearing in the left hand side of a cash book, we have to post their second effect in the main ledger, in their relevant ledger accounts. And in the same way, for all the payments for which we have recorded single effect, we have to post second effect of those payments in the main ledger. So just see how easy it is. Don't get afraid of all these lines. All these are very easy, in fact. Just see that this is the split of cash book. We know very well that it is the receipt side and it is the payment side. Okay? Well, for each receipt, we have to post it in its relevant ledger account. Like this receipt is against capital, so go to the capital account. Cash was received because of capital, so just take it as a ledger account now, this cash account. If it is appearing in the debit side, left side is the debit side, remember, so it should be appearing in the credit side of capital account. Take the second thing, received from debtors 5,000, appearing in the debit side, put it in the credit side over here. Okay. Then commission received 2,000, appearing in the debit side of cash, in this commission account, credit side. Okay. Well, and then sales 10,000, place in the credit side. In the same way, come in the payment side. We paid 500 rent. Okay. Go to the rent account. Okay, rent account, and this in the debit side, since it was appearing in the credit side of cash book. Creditors 4,000, place in the debit side of creditors account. 1,000 stationery, place in the debit side of stationery account, and 8,000 for purchases, and place in the debit side of purchases account. So simply you observe that we are just placing second effect in our relevant ledger accounts. If that was the amount appearing in the debit side of cash book, those are appearing in the credit side of the relevant ledger account. If the amount was appearing in the credit side of cash book, so their second effect is appearing in the debit side of the relevant ledger account. So the important tips that we have to learn or remember in this module are that cash book is considered as a ledger account. Very important. Take it as a ledger account. Because in the presence of a cash book, we do not prepare cash ledger account, remember. And the second thing is, considering that first effect has already been given in the cash book or a cash account, so we will be working to put its second effect in the relevant ledger account. And that's it. Okay? Thank you.